Hi everyone, welcome to this beautiful house. Let me show you inside. Walk into a beachfront oasis with me. We have a beautiful first glance looking right onto the beach as you walk in. A gorgeous inside braai for those cozy winter celebrations. And then we have a huge open plan kitchen with scullery and pantry, all inclusive. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Here we have a more quiet area for when you want to lay back and relax. The master bedroom with a gorgeous uninterrupted view onto the ocean. And here we have a lovely bathtub with an open shower for that kickback relaxation time that is so needed to get that well-deserved treatment. For the ladies to get ready for those nights out, we have gorgeous, ample amount of space here. And here we have some extra space for the kiddies or guests to have their own space to kick back as well. A separate bathroom that has a beautiful bathtub for them to plunge and play in as well. Another bedroom with balcony and view as well, of course. Follow me for some more exploring. Here we have a beautiful open study with a little balcony as well to catch a breath of fresh air to keep the mind working. A lovely little laundry room to keep everything neat and separate from guests. Now we go all the way upstairs, which is the most exciting part of this house. Here we have a beautiful rooftop, perfect for sunbathing, bird watching, or even late night stargazing. Wouldn't you want to make this your dream home with such a beautiful setting? Everything is already in place for you. So come over and show some interest.